Good afternoon, everyone. We'll continue with chapter 7 on geography. Now, our motherland. So, we discussed that the area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. Then, if you see from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it is 3,200 kilometers on land. Then from Arunachal Pradesh in east to Kutch in west, it is 2,900 kilometers. Okay. Now, also we see diversity in our country. What is diversity? So, diversity is a range of people or thing which is very different from each other. Different from each other. So, this is diversity. Range of people or thing which is very different from each other. So, the difference which is there among the people or thing, that is called diversity. Understood? Now, here in India, if we see, on what basis we see diversity? On what basis we see diversity? So, we see it on many different factors like landforms, which we have already read. We have different type of landforms, many different landforms, mountains, plains, plateaus, river, valley, many things, right? Then we have climate. We have different climate. All over world, if we see, we have different climates. In India also, if we see, different part of the country has different type of climate. Then you have vegetation. We have different vegetation as per the region or as per the season. As per the region also, as per the season also, we have different type of vegetation. Then you have diversity of the basis of wildlife. Different type of wildlife we find in different areas, which we already discussed in chapter. Okay. Then you have language and culture. In different states, different places, you will find different language. People speaking different language. Okay, in Bengal, the people speak Bengali. If you go to Bihar, the people speak Bhojpuri. If you go to Kerala, you will find Malayalam. Right? So, like this, in different regions, you have different language. So, and different cultures. People have different cultures which they follow. So, on this basis, we can see diversity in India. Okay? Now, India is also second most populous country. That means if we talk population wise, India is on the second position, which is after China. China is the first Then you have location of India. So India is located in northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. So we have already discussed about latitude, longitude in our previous chapter. So now we will understand this is the earth and it is divided like this by the equator, which is on 0 degree. The equator is on 0 degree. Right. Now this side you have south pole, this side you have north pole. Okay. Also, this is latitude wise. Latitudes are there. Okay. Here you will have Tropic of Cancer. Then here you have Arctic Circle. Then here you have Tropic of Capricorn. Then here you have Antarctic Circle. So like this you have the latitudes. Now where is India? So India is somewhat here. Okay. Here you will have India. Okay. This is India. So above the equator, this is equator, this is dividing the globe or dividing the country into two equal halves. Equator divides the country into two, divides the world into two equal halves. Right? And here you have India. This is India. So it comes in the northern hemisphere. Okay? Now longitudes are there. Like this we have Greenwich. This is the main longitude, Greenwich meridian. You will have Greenwich meridian. We have already read about Greenwich meridian. So this longitude divides the globe into east and west. Sorry. This is west. Then here you have east. Right. So latitude divides in north and south. So our country lies in north hemisphere. If it comes as per the division of latitude, where our country, what is the location of our country? So that will be northern hemisphere. As per the division of longitude, where our country is located, it is located in the eastern hemisphere. Understood? So as per the latitudinal division, it is in the northern hemisphere, and as per the longitudinal division, it is in the eastern hemisphere. Understood? Now you see here, we have Tropic of Cancer and it almost divides our country into two parts. Tropic of Cancer cross from India. Okay, so it divides our country almost in two parts. Okay, Tropic of Cancer on 23 degree and 30 minutes north passes almost halfway through the country. I hope you all are preparing your notes because that is very, very important. So Tropic of Cancer divides our country almost on two equal halves. So it divides on, it is on 23 degree and 30 minutes north. Fine. Now mainland of India extends 88 degree and 4 minutes north, and 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. So as we discussed, our country remains in the northern hemisphere. Okay, so what is the latitudinal location from here till here? From tip to bottom. From top to bottom, what is the latitudinal location? So here you see this is 8 degree and 4 minutes north, and here it is 37 degree and 6 minutes north. Understood? So suppose this is India. Suppose this is India. So this is the top. So this top is on 8 degree and 4 minutes north. Okay. And this bottom is 36 degree and 37 degree and 6 minutes north. 37 degree and 6 minutes north. Understood? Now from from longitudinal division, how is the extent? So from the longitudinal division, you will see it extends between 68 degree and 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Okay, this is longitude. So in latitudes it is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. But in the longitude it is here 68 degree 7 minutes east, and here it is 97 degree 25 minutes east. Understood? Now if you see, there is a difference of 2 hours. If Arunachal Pradesh is our last point in east, Arunachal Pradesh is the last point in east, and here you have Kutch in Gujarat, which is the last point of west. Now from east till west, as we have already discussed, that longitude helps in calculating time. Time is calculated on the basis of longitude, that we already discussed in our previous chapter. So here also and we also told that on every 1 degree there is 4 minutes. The change of 4 minutes, right? If 1 degree, if you are on 1 degree, there will be 4 minutes. If you go to 2 degree, there will be 8 minutes. Like this change happens. So from here till here, when it is taken, so the longitude which are in between, there is 2 hours of difference in timing. In actual timing, there is 2 hours of difference from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, Kutch. Okay. But suppose if you want to wish your friend, you are in Arunachal Pradesh and you want to wish your friend happy birthday at 12 night. Basically, what is that we do? Yeah, this is what we do. We wish at 12 night. So if you are at Arunachal Pradesh and you are calling at 12 night, there will be only 10. Your 12 will be 10 here. 2 hours of difference will be there in that time. So to avoid that and to make a standard procedure, we have Indian Standard Time. And that Indian Standard Time is taken from the 82 degree and 30 minutes east. Let me erase all this. So to keep a standard timing in whole country, we have taken the longitude of 82 degree and 30 minutes east. Okay. So this has been taken as Indian standard timing. Till here, anyone any question? Anyone any question till now? Any question, class 6? We'll move on if we don't have any question. Okay. Now we will discuss about the India's neighbor. India's neighbor. Who are India's neighbors? Now India's neighbors are different types. Different types means some of the neighbors are the land neighbors. Land neighbors means we share our border with them. We share our border with some of the neighbors. Okay. Then we have some of the neighbors which are land-locked countries. Now, what is land-locked countries? That we will understand. Then we have island neighbors. Some of the island neighbors are also there. That means neighbors which are island. Okay, like Maldives. Then Park Straits. Park Strait is also our neighbor. Now, what is Park Strait? That also we will understand. So first start with land neighbors with whom we share our border. So in that you have India also. Pakistan, then you have Afghanistan, then you have China, then you have Nepal, then Bhutan, then you have Myanmar, Bangladesh. So these are the countries which we have as our land neighbors. That means we share our border with these countries. Okay. Then there are some countries which are landlocked countries. That means they don't have any sea. Like when you see the map of India, you will find this whole is ocean and sea. We have Bengal, Indian Ocean. So if anyone wants to go anywhere from India by the sea route, they can easily go. But there are some countries here which are long. From all sides they have land. They don't have sea route. So in that case, we give them the sea route. Understood? we give them route to go. So like that we have Nepal and Bhutan. Landlocked countries we have Nepal and Bhutan, which are landlocked countries. Okay. Then you have island neighbors. In this you have Maldives. Maldives are the neighbors and they are island. Okay. Then you have Park Strait. Now Park Strait, what is strait? First we need to understand what is strait. That we have already discussed. But still I am telling you, it is narrow passage of water, narrow passage of water which joins two big oceans or separates two land masses. Okay, that is straits. Understood? Very narrow passage of water which either like in our here we have Sri Lanka. Okay, so here you have Park Street. Understood? So if you see the map, here you have Park Street, and here you have Bay of Bengal, and here you have Indian Ocean. Okay, so this Park Street actually joins the Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. It is a very narrow passes of water, very narrow passes of water which joins Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Also, it separates India and Sri Lanka. Understood? It also separates India and Sri Lanka, and that is why it is straits. So basically, strait is a narrow passage of water which either connects two big oceans or seas, or it separates two big land masses. That is straits. We have Park Strait here in between Sri Lanka and India, which actually separates India and Sri Lanka, and also it connects Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Understood? Any question, anyone? Any question? Okay. Understood everything? No questions? Tomorrow we'll do some math work. In the math, tomorrow you don't have class. So day after tomorrow, we will understand this in the math so that you can better understand the things. By that time, go to map, take map and understand all these points. What is that? Okay, understand all these points. I will give one map work as homework. Okay, so you need to show all the land sharing neighbors, all the other things you need to show. So 4 things are there, right? Make 4 maps and you show all the things. That I will give in the homework. Okay, I am explaining it now, you need to do this. One map will be land neighboring. Suppose first map you made, this is the first map. Every time people do mistakes in map work. So understand it now. This is the map I made. Heading I will put. Heading is land neighbors of India. This is the heading. First one. Right? Land neighbors of India. Make the map here. Make map. Okay? Suppose you made the map. Okay? Then you make all the neighbors. Here you have Nepal, color it with yellow. Then you have you have China, then you have Nepal, then you have Tibet, whatever. Tibet is not. China, Nepal. Color those for different colors. Show where they are sharing land border. Like this you need to properly make. Now make legend. If I have made yellow color for China, put yellow color, write China. Okay, if you have made green color for Pakistan, color it green. Here also it will be green. Here also it will be green. Write Pakistan. Like this. Understood? This is how map work is done. So please note map work.